Hi everyone, welcome to the Joy of Blue Collaboration 2023, hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing, where each month on the 12th of the month at noon Eastern, a group of us posts something made with blue. Blue is Sarah's favorite color. Shades of it are mine as well, but I like a lot of colors anyway. um, I was gonna make some bracelets and I changed my mind because I was digging through my blue stuff and I had several different varieties of these blue. They're called check press glass something flowers, but they look like snowflakes to me. So I made snowflake earrings this month. Again, I made earrings again. But you know what? That's what sells for me at my craft fairs. All right, so I made this pair. These are stainless surgical steel e-wires from Beadbox Bargains. These are stainless steel. Everything else on it is stainless steel. Swarovski crystals. I don't know what color those are. They were in this mix that has like opal and clear and two shades of blue in it. Um, it was called Fog. It had a lot of gray in it too originally. So then these particular ones are sort of opaque with blue splash on them. And then I put the same kind of shade of crystal on as well. Several of these are just shorter because I am finding that people that I sell to at craft fairs don't always like these long dangly ones. Some people do, but the majority seem to want more basic. So I went basic and on this one I didn't put the silver ball, stainless steel ball in there. I just put the crystal and I wire wrapped this one and I didn't wire wrap any other ones because I was having trouble with it. The head pins I got in a huge bag. They're ball head pins and they're stainless steel. I got them from BB Craft. So, yeah, that was part of I think that was not part of a promotion. I think I bought those actually. But that's that one. So they're two different of the same bead. And then these are a little different in that they're more opaque. They're the same shade, but they're opaque. And I used a different crystal. It's also Swarovski, but it's a turquoise AB 2 times, it's called. I don't know. This one looks like I got it crooked somehow. There. Yeah, I also had an injury. This one, I think I got these free from Beadbox Bargains, excuse me. Um, yeah, they were in this bag as part of a free gift, and I paired them with a cobalt blue Swarovski, and I don't think they have any cobalt blue bicone, yeah, and the stainless steel and surgical steel. Yeah, all the ear wires are the same. I will be putting backs on those. And then the last one I did, I bought these white kind of crystal with sparkles on them ones. And I used those same turquoise AB bicones with them. And these are a little bit different snowflakes than these. I only had two of these and two of those. And I thought I had another one of these, but it turned out to be lynx, and I didn't realize it until, and there was no way I was going to try and cut that off. Yeah, because stainless steel is hard. It's hard to work with. I had to set those aside. I had to rework them a little bit. I hope you enjoyed. Please go visit everyone else. They're not listed down below. You just have to click on the hashtag and it will take you to a list that shows all the other people's projects. Some are paper crafting, some are journals. It could be anything as long as it's blue. I know in the past there have been people making, doing, what is that called? Like mugs. Oh, I forget the name of it. Mm. Anyway, different things. So it's an interesting collaboration. The only requirement is you have to use something blue. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.